work was so hard at the sawmill. Think about a poor boy, think about a poor boy when you go to write your will. Well, see my teardrop falling down. My wife left this sawmill town. She said sawmill life has been the same